Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold dollar, I still think it's extremely clear this is a 1, 2, 3, and I also think it's very clear this is going to go up to about the 161.8 or higher to finish off a wave 3. Then I think it needs to make a wave 4 and a wave 5. And this is the monthly time frame, so you have to keep in mind that this is potentially going to take anywhere from 6 months to maybe a year or two before it actually completes this trend, which actually started right here. So, heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we were thinking that this correction was not over, but boy, it definitely kept on going up. I think this is 5 ways up for a 1. I think this is an ABC of 2. And my target is definitely above the 161.8, which is around the 25.50 area. So at this point, I would definitely continue to look for longs. Eventually, it probably will make a wave 4 and a wave 5, but I think we are definitely still quite a ways away from even ending this wave 3 trend. Heading down to the daily time frame, this is where I was suspecting that we were going to get another push down because this is definitely 5 ways down. I was thinking that this was an A and that we were going to be a B and then go down for a C before we actually did continue the uptrend. But this is actually not surprising at all because we are in a wave 3 on the higher time frames. What happens when you're in a wave 3 is you get that blasting effect and you think that the price is going to go down and then go back up. But in reality, what happens is it just makes a counter trend move and just keeps on trending up. So either way, we are definitely still in a wave 3 and I'm definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, we may as well give it to that Fibonacci. Now this is definitely 5 ways down, so I mean I would actually call this a motive wave correction. I definitely think we have the end of a correction. It is definitely making higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Until we get a break of this high low series like that, I would definitely be doing nothing but looking for longs. It's probably pretty likely that it's going to continue to make those higher highs, higher lows, and it's pretty likely we're going to have more opportunities to go long for the continuation of this big wave 3. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it's extremely obvious on the very high time frames we're in a wave 3. My target for this wave 3 is the 161.8% Fibonacci extension on the weekly time frame, which puts us up to about $2,550. So keeping that all in mind, I mean, ever since this little correction right here, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3. So I would like to see a 4 and a 5. Then I would like to see a breaker start it down and a proper ABC correction before I would even think about going long again. I am definitely not even remotely thinking about going short. It doesn't even have to do that now. It potentially could just make small corrections and just keep on going up. So especially if you trade below the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely be doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. If you do eventually get a break of starts on this 1 hour range and you are a short time frame trader, you could be looking for shorts. But I definitely think looking for longs is going to be where the big money is, especially because we are in a wave 3, which is likely to end around the 161.8, around the $2,550 area. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with my group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.